Hello, everybody. I am going to do the problem I would have done in class today. I again apologize, but I think we can move ahead a little bit here, and it'll be just as good. So here we are in MindTap. I'm going to do the problem in the study guide. Let's see. We go here to Introduction, Chapter 3, and scroll down here to Study and Test Prep. Study guide, and I'm going to do the problem about Germany and Poland. Scroll over there. Not back there. It's back here. Here we are. This one. Suppose a worker in Germany can produce 15 computers or 5 tons of grain per month. Okay, they give you a little table. Now I'm actually going to work this problem in a different program that I can draw graphs. I'm just kind of showing it to you which one it is as I go through this. Okay, 15 computers or 5 tons of grain. So we'd put in 15, 5 there. Okay. Suppose a worker in Poland can produce 4 computers or 4 tons of grain per month. So that would be 4 there and 4 there. So that's the table I'm going to start with. And for simplicity, assume that each country has only one worker. So we fill out the table. Again, that's where I'm going to be starting. And then we're going to graph it like we got there. Except for, again, I'm going to do it on my iPad in a program called Explain Everything. And hopefully, by the way, you watched the extra help videos that I posted where I do go through and explain everything on my little iPad is what I do that on, and watch me go through the DW and Arthur example again. That I know it's a little painful, it's a little tedious. It's not hard, it's tedious, and don't ever confuse the two. And you'll probably hear me say that a few times this semester. Tedious and difficulty are two different things. So, this is a little tedious. Well, anyway, and here are the questions we're going to answer. What is the opportunity cost one computer in Germany? What's the opportunity cost one grain in Germany? Same for Poland. Who has the absolute advantage? Who has the comparative advantage in each good? And why should they specialize in each good? Okay, we go through the whole analysis. What is the price range for computers and grain? Okay, that one's a little. We didn't hit that one real hard, so we'll nail that one down this time. And suppose they settle on a price of two computers for one grain. Okay, and I want us to plot the consumption point if they trade 4 computers for 2 grain. Okay, and let's see. Suppose productivity of a worker in Poland doubles. What happens to absolute advantage and comparative advantage? Welfare inside the country, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the problem we're going through, and I will again the next link is the one that actually where I do this, and then I'm going to post some videos that we were going to watch in class, but I guess now under the new circumstances, let's just I'll just have you watch them on your own. This wraps up trade, this chapter 3. And the videos are introducing the next chapter. Chapter 4 is on supply and demand. And they're Paul Salmon, PBS. And he does a great job of explaining things. So I think you'll like them. Supply and demand, he uses a cattle auction. And, that's a perfect vehicle for explaining supply and demand. So watch those. They're short, 8 minutes each maybe, and they're good. Okay, so I will see you on Thursday for sure. All right.